Tourist scams you need to watch out for. Think you're safe on your vacation? Think again. From fake taxi drivers to elaborate street tricks, these are the tourist scams you need to watch out for. Stay tuned to protect yourself and your wallet. First up, the fake taxi scam. You get into what seems like a normal taxi, but the driver's meter is rigged to skyrocket the fare. Or worse, they charge you a flat rate that's double the normal price. Always use a trusted rideshare app or confirm the fare before starting your ride. And remember, official taxis usually have identification displayed. It's not just about overcharging. Some fake taxis are part of larger scams where they drive you to the wrong location and force you to pay extra to get where you need to go. In some cases, drivers may even threaten to leave you in an unsafe area unless you pay up. Always note the taxi's license plate or use a registered service for added security. You're enjoying the sights when a friendly local approaches and offers you a free bracelet. They tie it around your wrist and before you know it, demand payment. Refusing might even lead to a heated confrontation. Politely decline any unsolicited offers and keep your hands to yourself to avoid this sticky situation. In some cases, scammers will work in pairs. While one person ties the bracelet, another might distract you or pick your pocket. It's a coordinated effort that preys on unsuspecting tourists. And don't forget, the price they demand can vary wildly. Some even threaten to alert police to intimidate you. Stand your ground and walk away confidently. Beware of fake police officers. They'll accuse you of breaking a law you've never heard of and demand to see your wallet or passport. In the process, they'll make off with your money or personal information. Real police won't ask for on-the-spot fines. If you're approached, politely ask to see their identification or suggest going to the nearest police station. This scam is particularly common in countries where tourists may not be familiar with the local laws. Scammers rely on fear and confusion to get what they want, so stay calm and assertive. Remember, if you're ever unsure, call the local police station yourself to confirm the officer's identity. Better safe than sorry. Imagine arriving at a world-famous site only to be told it's closed for the day. A helpful local offers to guide you to another attraction or a nearby shop, where you'll face overpriced goods or fake tickets. Double-check the official opening times online or ask someone at an official information desk. Don't rely on unsolicited advice from strangers. Some scammers may even stage fake signs or official-looking uniforms to make their claims more convincing. If something feels off, trust your instincts and verify the information yourself. This scam preys on your excitement and urgency, so take a moment to pause and research before making any decisions. Pickpockets work in teams and thrive in crowded areas. One distracts you while another snatches your belongings. Sometimes they'll bump into you or stage a commotion to catch you off guard. Keep your valuables in front of you, use anti-theft bags, and be extra cautious in crowded areas. Some pickpocketing groups are incredibly organized, using tactics like fake petitions or spilling drinks on you to distract your attention. Always be aware of your surroundings. For added security, consider carrying a dummy wallet with small bills to hand over if confronted. It's a simple trick that could save you from losing everything. Street performers and costume characters may offer to take a photo with you. After the snap, they'll demand an exorbitant fee, leaving you in an awkward position. Always clarify if there's a cost before taking photos with performers. If in doubt, walk away. In some cases, these performers may also pressure you by drawing a crowd or making a scene if you refuse to pay. Stay firm and walk away. Be particularly cautious in tourist hotspots like Las Vegas, Rome, or Paris, where these scams are most prevalent. Some exchange offices advertise no fees, but use unfair rates or slip counterfeit bills into your stack. This scam can cost you more than you realize. Use official banks or ATMs for currency exchange. Always count your money before leaving the counter. Another trick is giving you change in outdated or foreign currency that's difficult to use or exchange. Always double-check your cash. If you're unsure, research the local currency and familiarize yourself with its denominations before your trip. In this scam, someone accidentally spills a drink or food on you. While you're busy cleaning up, their accomplice steals your belongings. If something spills on you, secure your belongings immediately before dealing with the mess. This trick is often used in busy restaurants, train stations, or tourist hotspots. Always stay mindful of your bags. Another variation involves children distracting you with a similar tactic, while adults commit the theft. Be cautious no matter who approaches you. Have you ever been scammed while traveling? Share your story in the comments so others can learn from it. And if you want more tips to travel smart and safe, hit that like button. If you've got a scam story, we'd love to hear it. Sharing your experience could save someone else from falling into the same trap. Traveling should be fun and stress-free. By staying informed, you can avoid these scams and make the most of your adventures. Subscribe to the Tourist Destination for more tips, tricks, and incredible places to explore. See you on your next journey. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring. Until next time.